Gretchen Hedke with the Adoption Law Firm. Unless a legal father's rights have been terminated, a legal father's consent to adoption is required. What makes a father a legal father? Let's talk about the 6 ways a man can be considered the legal father under the Adoption Code in 2 minutes. 1. A man can become a legal father through adoption. Upon a final decree of adoption, a legal parent-child relationship is formed. The adoptive parent has all the rights and responsibilities to the child as if they were a natural parent. 2. Legitimation. An unmarried father can file with a probate court a notice of declaration of legitimation in writing, attested by 2 witnesses, recognizing the child as his natural child and capable of inheriting from him, as if the child had been born in wedlock. 3. Adjudication. A court can adjudicate a father as the legal father of a child by issuing an order recognizing him as the father. This often happens through child support or juvenile proceedings, and often after the court has ordered genetic testing. 4. Acknowledgement. The mother and father of the child can sign an acknowledgement of paternity and file it with the Alabama Office of Vital Statistics. This usually occurs at the hospital once the child is born, and Vital Statistics will generate the baby's birth certificate, including the father's name. 5. Presumption. There are 6 ways a man can become a presumed father, most of which involve his marriage with the natural mother. If the child is born during his marriage to the mother, he is the presumed father. If the child was born within 300 days of the termination of his marriage to the mother, he is still the presumed father. If the man and the child's mother attempted to marry each other before the child was born, but for whatever reason the marriage is invalid, the man is the child's presumed father if the child was born during the invalid marriage or within 300 days after it is annulled or declared invalid. Next, if the father acknowledged his paternity and is either listed on the birth certificate or is obligated to support the child, he's a presumed father. If the man accepts the child into his home or holds out the child as his natural child and establishes a significant parental relationship with the child, he's the presumed father. And a man who legitimates the child is a presumed father. 6. The Adoption Code states that a man can be the legal father by operation of law. So, if there's any other legally recognized procedure in Alabama or any other state for a man to become the legal father, which he follows, he will be considered the legal father. If the child's father does not fall under any of these categories, then he is considered the putative father. A putative father is the alleged or reputed biological father of the adoptee. So I didn't make it under 2 minutes, but that's okay because paternity is a little complicated. So feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions.